Welcome to the day 34 of the Suzuki Khyber restoration. Today, we fixed floor brackets for seats and the lock for the back left door. Alhamdulillah, the floor brackets are almost set. Proper denting will be done tomorrow. Ignore the seats, they will be changed. We just placed them to adjust the floor brackets to be precise and accurate. I'm feeling very grateful and happy to see this beautiful car getting restored. Looking forward to revive and ride. That's all for today. Hit like and press subscribe button not to miss our next videos.